Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Yemen. So it has a rectangular shape that we already have drawn previously. Now we are going to uh, put the segments inside into three parts. So there are three smaller elongated rectangle inside the flag, and it has three different colors. So let's put the red color on the top. So this segment is on the 1/3 portion of the whole flag area. Okay, so when you put the color, we always try to put the color as uniform as possible because it's a solid red color which is present in the flag, and that's why we are trying to make it as solid as possible. Okay, all right. Okay, so red part is done. The part in the middle, this will remain white, and the part at the bottom, that is going to be the black and dark color. So let's put the black color here. Okay, you can see. All right. So three color combinations of the flag of Yemen. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. And one thing you can do the practice. The more you practice, the better the drawing is going to be. You can also browse to the playlist to select lots of drawings from different categories. We have so much drawings here. Please stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing and enjoy the drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.